basically, there's two ranges. There's a charcoal range and a gas range. And both of them have features that have never been seen before on a barbecue. For the charcoal range, the geniuses at EVERDURE came up with this ignition system. It's a button. It's just a beautiful little button. And you put some charcoal into the middle of the barbecue and you press the button. And that's it. And within 10 minutes, you can cook on it. In this range, there are three models. There's the hub, the fusion, and the cube. The hub is the big boy, called hub because it brings people together, generates an incredible amount of heat. It's always good for in a barbecue to have too much heat rather than not enough. Because you can take it away, you can move the coals around. Then the fusion is a just more bijou version of it, and it looks like a piece of furniture. It's an ultra modern design. But then thinking about that, why not do a dinky little one that you really can take on picnics, down to the beach, or just going for a walk? The cube was born, and that's exactly what the cube is. It's light, it's very compact, again, it's very stylish. So that completes the range of charcoal barbecues. The other range are the gas ones. I understand why so many people like cooking with gas barbecues, because it is convenient, you don't have all that hassle. So with the gas range, the big one is the furnace. It's got 3 burners, this one and the Force, which is the smaller version. They are the most powerful controlled gas barbecues in the world. If I was to sum up the whole range, it's basically taking some of the 20 years worth of knowledge and techniques I developed in my professional career in the kitchen with highly specialised kit, and incorporating my knowledge of some of the cooking processes, putting them into a barbecue, but a barbecue that people, I think, would just love to have. Beautifully designed, but all unique. We've got something that no other barbecue in the world does. Imagine all those people that have a recipe that they love doing. Maybe a Sunday roast, maybe a ribber beef, maybe a pork or lamb, or the way they make a burger, but they'll cook it inside, but they wouldn't do it on a barbecue. They just accept that it's going to come out the way it comes out. In fact, they don't have to do this anymore, because this kit gives you the flexibility, gives you the control, gives you the safety, and also just the fun of knowing your barbecues will never taste the same again.